Welcome back, you guys. Rod Fishing here with another video. And guess what we're doing today? What are we doing, Paul?
We're fishing.
Yeah. Oh my God! No way!
Yeah, we're fishing.
Wait, what are we doing tomorrow?
You won't believe it. You will not believe it.
Can I believe it or not believe it?
Want me to tell you?
I don't care.
We're fishing.
So that means you guys need to stay tuned.
Two videos back to back.
So guess what?
Stop talking. Just let them enjoy the video.
Welcome back, you guys. Rod Fishing here with another video.
We're back.
And so, do you like the intro? The intro's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. My dang hair is all messed up today. So, we're fishing again. Second time. So, you know, we're gonna try to fish back to back to back to back to back. Kyle, what are we doing tomorrow?
You won't believe it.
We're fishing.
We're fishing.
We're fishing. So, you know,
How you doing, man?
how you doing? Did you catch anything good today?
Yeah, we caught a couple.
You caught a couple? Hey, good job. So, you know, we're out here fishing on Lake Lanier, that little park, and you already know.
Yeah, so we're gonna get fishing, and y'all stay tuned for the bass. Alright, what does he got back? Well, first day, second day back.
Yeah.
And not even 5 seconds been out here, I caught one right here on the bank. And
Cool.
yeah, that's about a, what do you say that is?
3 pounds.
Yeah, I'd say about a 2.
3.
But I'm we're getting back in the lake. Man, it's cold out here.
Alright, ladies and gents, my hair's looking crazy. It's a little bit freezing out here.
Well,
Alright, Kyle, what'd you get?
second one.
Second one.
Second one.
He's showing me up.
They're just cold out here, like really
What
bad.
the freeze, man?
Like holding this fish is making me freeze. It's like, yeah. But yeah, that's my second one of the day.
What'd you catch him on?
Texas rig.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I broke my line, sent the rolled it in, and it popped off on the boat dock over there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, back at that fishing, release him, and I guess we'll see y'all whenever. So we're gonna get back fishing.
Let's get it, man.
I'll see y'all in a bit.
Jens finally caught me one of the year. So small. Alright, let's go get the release. Alright, baby. Let's go. I don't have Kyle's hand to bump, but
Here, you got mine.
alright, let's go. Go, baby. Whoa.
Oh yeah.
Go.
Good job, man. All right.
Second fish of the day. Finally caught up to you.
Oh yeah. There you go, man.
Let's get it. Cole, what in the world have you done again, man?
I caught another one.
Another one.
Just original stuff.
Original stuff. How much? I don't want to get the picture. Oh, so no pictures today?
Oh yeah, we're getting pictures. Hold on. Just 40.
That's what I'm using today. Got my old lose laser. Lose all the way, baby. God, my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay.
Yeah.
Huh. That's what I'm using right here. Right now, it's all messed up. That's fine. Try to block this wind out. Hey, hey, kiss. There you go, baby. Hey, let's go. Woo. Well, ladies and gents, as you see here, we are leaving. Oh, you got my rod?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, we're leaving. Put my jacket on so I didn't have to carry it.
I had mine in my hand.
Getting a little warm out here. But we're leaving. You know, it's been a great day. Great day of fishing. Caught us nice. How many did we catch? 6, 7?
Yeah.
But, you know, it's all a G thing. It's all a fishing thing.
All right, well.
So we're at the truck now, and I guess you got anything to say?
Well, let's keep fishing. Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Good day, man.
Good day, good day, good day. But we got a video coming up tomorrow.
Like,
and
subscribe, and I guess.
And hit that dinger on the side, and we'll catch y'all guys on the flip side.